Assalamualaikum. Now I come on hotel. I repair on water heater. I checking what's the problem. Why no working heater? This heater is new, but good heater. I checking heater coil. Okay, is the heater coil? I can check by meter. Okay. This also okay. This checking thermostat. Okay, this calling thermostat is heater. Water heater okay, heating okay, automatically power off. This again I now put back. See, this cooling heater. This heater is thermostat. Okay, heater okay. Okay, now I try to put back. I want to see working. No working. Okay, on. See light coming. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Working. Okay, thank you. This is my meter. I buy around 7,000 taka.